How to update firmware? How to update firmware for ESP32 controller of robot car? Yeah, uh, robot cars were. Let me see from here. Were programs that to update firmware we need to wait a minute. I open this slide. Yeah. Okay. Upload program is one of the most important issues when we need to operate the robot. So robot ESP32 controller is programmed to update program over Wi-Fi without any physical connection to controller. So to update firmware, we follow some steps. We open Arduino IDE. Let me start again. We open Arduino IDE program. This is project for robot. Actually, you can see that main program for robot is separate from many displays. So main program from here, file system managers and global variable. In the global variable, we have all the data and variable and connect pin for ESP32. I manage every page for too easy to manage big projects. So because ESP32 is different with Raspberry Pis, it doesn't have any operation system inside. So we need to write the file manager like an operating system for ESP32. Global variable and GPS, everything from here. We separate it. Okay. Temperature, humidity, robot mode, robot controls, and remote control, motor, or MQTT data. So we need to separate. So to update the program, the first time we compare with original program, Python robotcar ESP32 here, Nicholas. The original program is very less, very simple. This is original program writing for Arduino Mega. This is only one page and not too much action from the robot. Only open and start stove. But our program is more complicated. Let me open. Now the program is complicated because if separate many action for the robots. Let me. So the first time you need to go to sketch export binaries. Export binaries. Okay. After export, you see that program will export to binary files, and you come inside programs. Let me see. ESP32's robot and robot's car. Go to robot final program and go to here in build folders ESP32, and this is the one we need to upload to ESP32. Waiting until complete. Let me see. It's uploading, waiting. Okay, now already complicated comply to binaries. What you do is you only type IP address of ESP32 and go to main page and open config. Okay, or you only just type IP address config here and update firmware for ESP32 and choose file and click the file binary file from here and then click update. After that, if you have connected this one, because I connect this cable to see update success, see? And reboot ESP32, we can see the action from here. Update firmware successful. Now you are already complete firmware update.